What's up, y'all? I'm back with another unboxing video. And since Amazon gave me a brand new PlayStation controller, but I'm basically boxing you this. It's a PlayStation controller. Sony PlayStation controller. So, you see on the back, they're reading stuff, whatnot. English or Spanish. Sorry, don't worry about this book. But as you can see, just that came with wireless. But yeah, this is the controller that I have right here. So you can see, it's charging. I have an old controller right now, and I'll show y'all real quick. Give me a few minutes. Similar to this is my old controller right here. It's this one's jacked up, a little jacked up, but it works a little bit, but it's not quick enough. But again, I want to thank my mom for giving me this. But yeah, this is just all the, it's something we're in need of. So anyways, y'all, man, hope y'all enjoy this video on my unboxing PlayStation controller, PlayStation 5 controller. Again, y'all go follow me on my YouTube channel, stuff and everything. Go subscribe, stuff and everything. And my name is Turbo. Actually, you know what? Yes, go subscribe my channel. My online name as you want to, but if you want to add me up on my PlayStation, make sure you go add me up right here. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Right here. Go add me up, everybody. Well, alright, y'all, man. Take care. See y'all again. My next unboxing video. Peace out and squad up.